Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this clay face mask that helps to detoxify the skin, reduce excess sebum, tighten the pores, and also brighten the skin. For real, I've not been really obsessed with a face mask like I did with this one. So I decided to share the recipe with you and see if you're gonna like this one. If you would try it out, please let me know. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn your notification bell so you can always get my upload whenever I drop one. So let's get started in this video. Welcome to my channel. So to make this clay detoxifying and brightening face mask, I'm gonna have two clay used here. The first is bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is like a sponge to the skin. It helps to plug out dirt and sebum from the skin. Also helps to reduce too much oil that may be causing acne, and also helps to heal the skin. Here I also have rose clay. Similar to bentonite clay, rose clay will also draw out toxins from the skin and help to reduce excess sebum or oil. So these are the two clays I'm going to be using in this formula, and I'm just going to mix them together. After which I'm going to be adding my remaining ingredients. I'll go ahead to add some rice powder. Although rice powder is not a clay, it also has some properties similar to clay in that it helps to heal the skin, it helps to detoxify the skin, it also helps to control excess oil, and furthermore, rice powder helps to control skin texture, and it also helps to brighten the skin. And so I'm going to be adding my remaining skin brightening powder, and I would love to add vitamin C to this. So I'm going to be adding sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a derivative of vitamin C. I really do not want to use L-ascorbic acid, so I chose to use this. I'm also going to be adding bearberry powder. Bearberry powder is also a potent skin brightener, and it's the main ingredient where our proteins are derived from. So adding bearberry with vitamin C is a nice combination to help even out and brighten the skin. After all these, I would like some aesthetic purpose, so I'm going to be adding hibiscus powder to this, not because of any therapeutic function of hibiscus, but because of the color that the hibiscus is going to provide to this clay mask. I really do not like the regular bentonite clay that is going to result as the color of the mask, and I also do not want to add any coloring to this, so I opted for a natural coloring, and I definitely loved how this turned out. I am not going to be adding any preservative here because this is going to be stored in a dry form, and there will be no need because it will not grow microbes, and there will be no need for the products to be preserved. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, help me do so right now. Thank you. So I'm going to get a container to store in my dry powders. I would advise you get an open container like this and not get a bottle. But if that's what you have, it's no problem. So I'm going to show you how I mix this and use it on my face and how it turned out to be at the end of the day. If you're a mask lover, I think you should try out this recipe. If you do so, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're not too a mask lover, you can also give this a try, at least for the aesthetic purposes, as many people would like to take pictures with it or just get that kind of relaxing feel with this. So let's simply see how I use this. So I'll simply get the face mask, and I also get my face mask applicator kit. It consists of the mixing cup, a stirrer, a measuring scoop, a spatula, and also a brush. And we have this kit available in the numbers. You can buy one, you can buy as much as you want. If you're interested in buying this, you can send me a message. You'll see link in my description box. So I'm just gonna get a little scoop out of my face mask and transfer it into my mixing cup. It is important that you take as much as you can use at once and do not scoop out much to be used at repeated times, so that the mask can remain in a dry form and not in a wet form, okay? And then I'm going to add some rose water. You can use any floral water of your choice. We have a lot of them in stock: cucumber, lemongrass, rosemary, chamomile, calendula, rose, whatever you want. Any of the floral water, and you can also use distilled water. It's totally fine. So you can make a paste that is applicable to you. You can make it a little more watery if you'd like that. You can make it really thick if you would want a thick paste on your skin. So after mixing till I get the right consistency that I want, I'm gonna apply this on my skin. You can see that the color changed from what is in the container to what is in the cup. It's giving us that red kind of clayish color from the hibiscus. So I'm gonna go ahead to apply this on my face. After the application, I'm just gonna let it be on my skin and do my chores, play around at least for 10 to 15 minutes. The mask sits quietly on my skin, helping me to draw out toxins, helping to brighten my skin, and helping me to stay relaxed as well. So once I'm ready to have my bath, I'll just wash it off and use my face wash and wash it all out. So this is how I enjoy this beautiful face mask. And if you love it, please give this video a thumb up. If this is your first time on this channel, hi, welcome. On this channel, I teach how to make natural, safe, and effective product for skincare, hair care, and beauty in general. And if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please help me do that right away. Also turn your notification bell so you can always get my video whenever I upload. Thank you so much for your support. And if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. And also don't forget that we sell all the raw cosmetic ingredients for your formulation. You can see the description box for more details. I definitely want to see you in my next video, but for now, please take care and have a lovely day. Bye.